Hey everyone, I thought while I'm doing some of my organising, I would film some of it. I have got my How I Organise playlist. So if you're new to the channel, since I've done that, it was kind of on the build up to my craft room tour. But I shared lots of little tips on how I organise everything. And one of my top tips is to always remove all the packaging. So whatever it is, take it out of the packaging and put it into some kind of system where it's all in the same packaging. So like the clear pockets or storage like this. So I have already shared these in the craft room tour, but I don't think I've done something like this. So anyway, these are what I always buy. You can get them in all different kind of configurations and the sizes vary, but these ones are the Hobbycraft. It's not from the company Hobbycraft, by the way. This is Hobbycraft case. It's by Craft, which you find in the works, and lots of independent craft stores get this brand in. So 35 by 22 centimetre, and this is how it looks. And I'll show you some of my other ones in a moment. But I'm literally sat here, I've got a movie on, and I'm just taking things out of packaging that I've not got around to using, forgotten to use. All my Christmas stuff is in a tub. Again, that's in the craft room tour. I've got Easter tub and then I've got a Christmas tub. But things like this were kind of falling to the bottom and I was missing them because there's bigger things in there. So I thought I would take everything out of these little bags and put them into this. And already you can see just how much nicer this all looks. And eventually I think when this fills up, I'll probably need another one. I might have one with that's just got sentiments in, or anything with a font, and then maybe, you know, all wood kind of wooden things can be at one end, and felt and things like that, fabrics. The bows I've got in here, I do have all my bows together, but they are festive, so I'll keep them there for now, but you know, I can always move them on. Then just take everything out of the packaging. So these are all little wooden trees which I want to get round to heat embossing, so I'm just gonna pop them in the little cubby there. And then with all the packaging you have two little, well, to be honest, actually some of the Hobbycraft stuff like this here is all recyclable now. It's a different plastic. I don't believe this one is, but you should have two little pockets to take that out because you can recycle that, and then that can go into your, you know, plastic waste. I've got little felt ones, again, never got around to using these, but you know, it's a timeless Christmas tree. It's never going to go out of fashion. But I'll probably put them and the wooden ones together, or I might put all the felt down one end. And the good thing about these is you can take the dividers out, so you can, you know, reconfigure it to however you want. I've got them all here and I'll keep them all together. But I've got, I think this is about the fourth one of these now. And these have been circulating for a couple of years now. And I totally forgot to use these in with my Papercraft Society box. So again, you know, gingerbread men, always used Christmas after Christmas. So we can just pop all of those into that one there. And these are like your chipboard pieces, so they're the same as the Santa's hats there as well. This was £4.49. So you want to be paying around that. Again, you can take out, although, like I said, I think it is all recyclable. It says here, yeah, the bag, recycle with bags at large supermarkets. So you do still need to take out the card there, but it just makes it a little bit easier. These glitter ones I did use, I think I had two. Yeah, no, I've used some of them actually, because there was 8 and there's only 5 in there now. So I'm going to finish this one off. I might end up moving it around a little bit more, and I'll show you my other ones as well, and hopefully it just helps some of you out there. Maybe, you know, you've got stuff everywhere and you just a little bit unsure on what to do. Maybe try this system. I love this, and it's just a nice overview. You know, these easily store away. You can just pull that out and straight away, you know, you can see what it is that you want. So that's everything in there. So that's all my Christmas bits. I might have the odd one lying around, which I'll probably find. So I'm going to get another one of these. I think there was 2 more left in the shop, so I'll probably pop back there soon and get those. I've got a few mixed in. I mean, I've got the little gold snowflakes with the felt there and stuff, but for now it's fine. And I've just kept all the inserts in that one as well. But it just, at a glance, just knowing that everything's there and you can just, you know, take that out, sit it on your desk. But I just wanted to show you the other one. So this one's just got my die cut alphabet letters. So my alphabet, the funky alphabet die and my chunky alphabet dies. Sometimes I'll cut multiples and I just need a couple of the letters, so I just keep them all in here. So A, B, C, D, all the way through the alphabet, numbers, hashtag, things like that. Again, all in there in all different colours, but I know, you know, sometimes you just need that one letter and it might be in there, so rather than throwing them away, so I keep all those there. And then this one's got all my wooden ones in. Again, I may have already shared this, so apologies if I have, but there's always new people. But this is all the wooden pieces, so I've still got these. I just can't bear to use them. I love them so much. They're from the Craft Consortium Circus collection. I've got some wobblers in here as well, or action wobblers, some tags. Yeah, just little bits and pieces that I can grab. And then in this one here is all my pegs and clips. So you've got your stationery clips here, wooden pegs, decorative ones, these ones here for like planners and stuff. So yeah, just, and if someone comes over and they're like, oh, I need a peg, not that anyone really comes over and asks for a peg, but you know what I mean, I can just say, yeah, go grab my peg storage and it's all in there. So, but yeah, just a quick video just to show you, you know, it's an inexpensive way, you know, a few pounds for these, and it does really save you some space as well, and it just makes everything a lot nicer and organised. And it's surprising, you actually then think, you know, you might not think you've got a lot of something, but when you see it all like this, it's like, yeah, I've got some nice Christmas embellishments there to use for next year. So check out the other organisational videos that I have. I'll link my craft room storage or my craft room tour up there, and I'll also, coming up now because it's the end of the video, there should be pop-ups. One will be the playlist for all of my organisational kind of videos, and one will be the craft room tour. I'll do it that way instead. So yeah, check them out next. Maybe, like I said, you're new to the channel, you've not seen that yet. Drop any questions you've got in the comments below. I will try and link these because you can probably get them on Amazon as well. Sometimes there might be a little bit more than if you were to visit your local craft shop. So, but I know not everyone has things like that nearby, so Amazon sometimes is a good shout. So yeah, I'll link them there if I can find them. And yeah, take care, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.